Is it in here or is it chilly in here?
It's freezing in here. I don't like it. I can see you in front of this set instead of Brandon Walker.
What is with the beheaded bobbleheads over here?
It's probably been some kind of sick genocide.
I mean, who goes around beheading bobbleheads? I mean, look at the heads. I mean, that's frightening.
Yeah, this is like Sid from Toy Story's warehouse.
I mean, that was another beheaded bobblehead at the ground over there. Who would behead a bobblehead? Even I get bobbleheads of people I don't like and I keep them. I got a bobblehead of Steven Strasberg this weekend. And I'm keeping it.
You don't disrespect bobbleheads,
no,
though.
You got to respect the bobblehead.
Yes.
Shame on whoever did this.
Shame.
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 Shame!
Shame!
Well, anyway, let's do a little soda review. This is one that's done with made with Wisconsin honey. It's made out of Milwaukee. It's called Sprecher. Sprecher. It's a low-cal variety of soda I've previously tried. This is handcrafted, fire-brewed, gluten-free. It's kosher. It's made in Milwaukee, made with Wisconsin honey. So it's Sprecher low-cal orange dream soda, 40 calories, and look at this. It's low-cal. It's locally brewed for Milwaukee, and there is the cow. There's a low-cal cow. Is he a low-cal? He might be a low-cal. He might be a local, but he's a low-cal. This is orange dream crafted soda. Let's see how this tastes. Brent. Ben, boom, 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 boom. Ah, ah. It tastes like a creamsicle. It does, but there's a little bit of a aftertaste. I guess it comes from the diet. A little bit of aftertaste. Yeah, that aftertaste is definitely going to drop this grade 7.1.
Not the worst, not the best.
No, it's good taste. It just has a little bit of a aftertaste, little funky aftertaste, probably from the sugar substitute.
Yeah, the lack of the cow, or just a low cow.
Yeah.
Well, we'll be back next time.
That we will be.